These are the 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the upstate on Friday, September 12th. At Greenville-Spartanburg International Airport, it was clear. The temperature was 60 degrees, the dew point 59, and the relative humidity 96%. The wind was north at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.16 inches and rising. Downtown Greenville, it was clear. The temperature was 68 degrees. Elsewhere in South Carolina, it was clear, with a temperature of 66 at Clemson and 62 at Greenwood. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 69 at Columbia and 68 at Charleston. At Anderson, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 66. In North Georgia, at Gainesville, it was clear, with a temperature of 67. At Atlanta, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 71. At Athens, 56. In North Carolina, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was 58 at Asheville, 59 at the Rutherford County Airport, 63 at Charlotte, and 64 at Greensboro. And in East Tennessee, it was clear. It was 65 at Chattanooga, 63 at Knoxville, and 53 at Bristol. Once again at 3 a.m., at the Greenville-Spartanburg Airport, it was 60 degrees and clear. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the upstate of South Carolina, including the Greenville-Spartanburg vicinity. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, partly sunny. Highs around 80. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, WXJ21, broadcasting from the SCE-TV tower on Paris Mountain in Greenville County, operating on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the upstate of South Carolina. The current time is 3:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Greenville-Spartanburg, South Carolina climate summary for yesterday, September 11th, 2025. Yesterday's high temperature of 83 degrees occurred at 4:23 p.m. The normal high is 84. The record high is 96 degrees, which was set in 1962. Yesterday's low temperature of 54 degrees occurred at 6:40 a.m. The normal low is 64. The record low is 47 degrees, which was set in 1902. The average temperature was 69, which was 5 degrees below normal. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.16 inches. This is 1.15 inches below the normal amount of 1.31 inches for September. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 37.57 inches, which is 2.33 inches above normal. There were no heating degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 2, which is 2 above normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 2, which is 2 above normal. There were 4 cooling degree days yesterday, which is 5 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 56, which is 57 below normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 1,571, which is 31 above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 84 degrees, and the normal low is 64. The record high for today is 96, which occurred in 2019, and the record low is 45, which occurred in 1917. Sunrise today is at 7:10 a.m. and sunset is at 7:40 p.m. These are the 3 a.m.